Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In my new description, I will have to upload a video every weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So here it is. Today we have a special one to let you know deeply about how to open, close an application on Mac. So now the three buttons you're looking at are the function keys of a Mac app, which means you can use these buttons to close, open, not open actually, uh, enter full screen, and go to the back page. So the red one is close, the yellow one is to hide, and the green one is to enter full screen. Or because of the new Catalina function, you can move to people's my iPad, your iPad, or left of screen, right of screen. And these function keys only works when you're using this app. Now, if you try to click your desktop, it will become nothing because you're not in this application. That's easy. Okay, bye guys.